Welcome to Wizert.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the mode of given group data. We know to find mode of given group data, we need to use following formula. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is lower limit of modal class. Lower limit of modal class. F0 is frequency of class preceding modal class. Preceding modal class. F1 is frequency of modal class. Frequency of modal class. And F2 is frequency of class succeeding modal class. H is class size or class interval. So let's try to find these parameters for given data. Now, in order to be able to find lower limit of modal class, we first need to convert given inclusive class intervals to exclusive class intervals. So let's first try to convert them to exclusive class intervals. These are given classes and these are given frequencies. To convert given inclusive intervals to exclusive intervals, we first need to find difference between lower limit of next class and higher limit of previous class. So lower limit of next class and higher limit of current class, not previous class. Higher limit of current class. So if we consider classes 10 to 14 and 15 to 19, difference equal to 15 minus 14, which is equal to 1. And converted class intervals will be, or modified class intervals will be add 1 by 2 to all higher limits and subtract 1 by 2 from all lower limits. This will give us modified class intervals, which are modified into exclusive intervals. So let's do that here. Yes, 10 minus half is 9.5, 15 minus half is 14.5, 20 minus half is 19.5 and 25 minus half is 24.5. 14 plus half is 14.5, 19 plus half is 19.5, 24 plus half is 24.5, and 29 plus half is 29.5. So let me write here the modified frequencies, modified class intervals. So these will be removed. Log these out. And write modified frequencies 9.5, 14.5, 19.5 and 24.5. So these are our modified class intervals. Now to find modal class, what do we need to do? We need to find the class with highest frequency. Find class with highest frequency, which is 14.5 to 19.5. Therefore, modal class is 14.5 to 19.5. Now using this information, let's find all the parameters here for our calculation. So L is lower limit of modal class, so that is 14.5. F0 is frequency of class preceding modal class, so that is 5. F1 is modal class frequency, that is 10. F2 is frequency of class succeeding modal class, so that is 3. These 3. H is class size, which is 19.5 minus 14.5, which is equal to 5. So let's calculate mode now. Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, which is equal to 14.5 plus 10 minus 5 divided by 2 into 10 minus 5 minus 3 into 5. So this is 14.5 plus 10 minus 5 is 5 into 5 divided by 2 into 10 is 20. 20 minus 8 is 12. So that is equal to 14.5 plus 25 by 12, which is equal to 14.5 plus 12 twos are 25, 12 twos are 24, 1 remains, decimal point 0. Again we'll have to take one more 0, so 12 zeros are 12, 8s are 96, 4 remains, 12 threes are, so we'll take only 3 digits after decimal point. So let's see, addition is 14.16, not 14, 16.583. So we get mode value as 16.583. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option D, 16.583.